and then it sits on, it stopped, I think, has it? What's that say? Oh, it started again, hasn't it?
Yes.
Maybe I hadn't even started before. Again. It's a bit creepy. So we're heading over halfway apparently, and we're heading back to the visitor centre for bacon baps and the coffee, hopefully. So just come around the corner and there's the visitor centre and there's the roaches, and just at the back is Hen Cloud, and over the visitor centre.
Someone's excited.
Someone is, aren't they? Having a great time at the point. Car park's quite busy, isn't it?